Hello. Okay, good day everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel. Trade Live with Precise Trader. And today is 21st of May, US session. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of any trade with your broker before you put in your trades. So, with that, we move on to our live analysis. So, the data, in fact, tonight there isn't any data that is out, only the crude oil inventories. Then, as far as the open trades are concerned, okay, we have sell Aussie at 64.40 and New Zealand at 59, excuse me, 59.40. Only these two trades. Okay, so now let's move on to our uh, analysis. Okay, if you look into this right now, we are seeing strength on the euro. Just give me a minute. Sorry. So we are seeing strength on the euro on the daily, pound on the daily, dollar yen is weak, Swiss franc is weak, dollar cat is weak, New Zealand, and flat on the Aussie. So then, if you look into the current time belt, okay, current that means the lower time frame. Um, Dollar yen is still pointing up. Pound is a bit flat. Euro, this is showing some strength, and but but looking at it, the 2 hours is all flat. So I think this is still a range trading. Okay, then when we look into the gold, gold is also showing strength on the daily. Your 360 is flat, and 15 minutes is showing some strength. 15 and 30 is showing some strength, but the market has turned down on the 2 hour chart. So, which means to say the gold has turned down on the 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours meaning the 3316 half and 3320 half. That should be the stop loss level or the entry level near that level. Okay, so let's see gold, then followed by the currencies, then we will try to go into the trade. Okay, so if you look into the gold, I think we should be holding sell below 3311 and 3308. Okay, 3301, 3311 and 3308. Expect the 3296 to break. If it breaks, then we can see the price moving lower. Okay, so we should be looking to sell near 3307 and 3312. Okay, we should see the price testing 3290. If 3290 breaks, then we should see the price breaking lower towards 86 or lower. And on the other hand, if 3307 breaks, we should see the price heading towards 3312 and 17. Okay, so these are the key key levels for us to take note. Okay, so now let's see the okay. So now we look into remember if we are looking for a daily high, I think most likely we have seen the high at 3320. And remember, the 2 hours is already saying that this market is already showing some weakness. So now what we can do, okay, we want to sell at 3304 and uh, so we will try to sell at 3304 and 330405, then 3311. Okay, so that means we sell at 3305, put a stop at 3312 half, then we should be selling another one at 3311, then we'll put a stop above 19 half. Then we should expect the price to come down. Okay, so let me give you the call. Cautious sell XAU at 3305 3311. Okay, stop at 3312 half and 3319 half. Okay, TP I'll give later. Okay, I'll give later. Let's key in this order first, then we will move on to the next trade. If you are planning to take both the trades, you just go 20%, 30% the first trade, then the second trade at a higher levels. So so maybe I'm trying to do on 3 staggered levels. Okay, 3303 also I'm planning to go a very small volume. Then Okay, so I'm trying to sell on three staggered levels: 3303, 3305 half, and 3311. Okay, then the stop I'm trying to put respectively. Okay, so this trade, okay, just now. Uh, Sorry, if you want to be in the trade, if the 3303, let's say, if it's not going to get filled, you may want to enter at a market which is a minimum lot, maybe 3302 or 3318. I think 13302. Okay, so I'm entering a minimum lot. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm entering the 3303. Okay, 3303 is my order is filled. Minimum, I'm looking at 0.1%. Okay, 0.1 percent of the usual lot size. then then let's move on to the next next currency. Okay, now we are looking for euro, which is daily euro, pound, dollar yen, dollar Swiss. Okay, we are going to go for all these currencies to trade. Okay, let's look one at a time. Uh, okay, if you look into the euro, I think the high is most likely been seen. Okay, but the problem is right now this market is in a congestion on the 6 hours. So we need to see a clear break of 11310 and 11290. Then we can confirm that the high is seen. So what we can do, the same scenario. Okay, we will try to go for we will try to go for uh, the half lot. Okay, we'll try to go for a half lot to be sold at 11340, then another half at 11355, because we feel there is a 50-50 chance that this market has made a high. Okay, so now we are going to go for a scalping trade, okay, which is a half lot, and this is 11335. Okay, put a sell at 11335, and the stop has to be 70 because 65 is the high. Then we will try to go for 113 as a TP. So here we will go this trade, we will give until 10 o'clock. Okay, then we would go for another trade at 11360 or 55. Okay, 55 or 60. 11355. Okay, put a stop at 11385 and TP again 113 maybe 05, and this is also half lot, and this is again until the next time belt, which is at least 2 to 3 hours, okay, maybe until 24. So we are going to go for this trade, okay, two trades. Okay, now let's see the pound. Okay, let's see the pound, then dollar yen. Okay, so the pound, if we look at it, the most likely, okay, most likely we may have seen the high. So what we will do is we'll try to sell at 34.40, 34.40 and 34.60 with the stop at 34.80. Okay, TP will try to exit at 33.90 or extension of this level, which is 33.70 75. Okay, we have two entries for pound. Okay, we have two entries. One is a scalping trade, one 34.40. Okay, then that one stop at 70, and the one will put it as 34 or 33. I think 34 is fine. Okay, so we'll put this half lot, and this one again we'll give until 10:30. Okay, then we'll go for one more trade. Okay, this is also a half lot. Go for a sell at 34.60. 34.60. Then the stop we'll put it as 34.90, 30 pips away. Then this one again we will put it as 33.95 or 34. This is also half lot, and this is until the another 3 hours. That means we'll give another 2.5 hours. Okay, so we have taken pound. We have we have put in order for pound. We have put in order for euro. Then we have taken gold. Gold, we have already taken a trade which is at 305 half, and we are waiting for the next trade, which is 33.11. Okay, so now then now we look into dollar yen. Okay, the dollar yen, the current low is 43.45, and right now is 43.70. So if we see, looks like this 43.45 is the low, and 44.10 looks like this is in a range. Okay, so what we can do is we will try to go for a buy at 43.60. Okay, stop at 43.40 and TP at 44.10. Okay, so this is a scalping trade. Dollar yen limit buy 143.60, stop at 40, 44.10. Then this is half lot, and this is again the time is we will give about 1 hour. Then what we can do is your previous sorry, sorry, I think there was a disconnection from the system. Okay, so now what we can do, we can go for another buy. Okay, another buy, because if let's say we are betting that the low is already been seen, but if let's say the low is not seen, then we can go for a buy at 43. Okay, that should be the GTC order. 43 or 42, 42 85 or 42 85. Okay, 85, then we'll put a stop at 42 40. Okay, so now we can give a swing trading call, which is we want to go for a buy dollar yen, and this is the expiry is until until Friday. Okay, then we'll put a stop at 42.40. Then the TP we will put it as 44.10 as of now. Then this is half lot, and this is expiry is until Friday. Okay, let it work until Friday. Okay, so then we have dollar Swiss. Okay, dollar Swiss. Let's see the chart. Dollar Swiss. After that, we can go into after that we can go into what I wanted to say, Dow Jones. Okay, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Okay, now we look into dollar Swiss. Okay, market made a low at 42.10, and if you look at 6 hours, I think this is also, this is in a range with the price trying to break the high. So if you look into the 15-minute, so if this is the low, then we will try to go for a buy at 82.30, stop at 82, then TP either 65 or 85. That should be our target for the dollar Swiss. Okay, so that trade we would want to go in as a momentum trade, because this is a ad hoc trade. 82.30 82.30 82, stop 82.80. Okay, half lot. This is until end of this time belt, or slightly 1 hour plus minus. Okay, so we are so far we are holding. So far we are holding Aussie sell New Zealand sell, gold sell, gold at 3305 half. Okay, 3305 half, and I also have a very small 3303. So I have two selling. Then okay, then one, two plus the other one is three. Okay, altogether there's three. Yeah. So we will have three open position. Okay, gold. Uh, what I was saying, gold, New Zealand, Aussie. Okay, so the euro, I think we are waiting for that to get filled. Okay, 30, 35. Okay, so these are the three trades which we are seeing. Okay, now let's go into Dow Jones. Okay, the Dow Jones, if you look into, I think yesterday, if you recall, okay, if you recall, we said that the high is seen, and today was a down day, which is really, it was a good move. There was about 400 pips move which we have seen. So now, if you look into the hourly, okay, hourly, we can go for a sell. Okay, sell right now is, wait, something is wrong. Hold on. Why is this chart is not showing the actual figure? Okay, this is not showing the actual location of this, because right now this is showing at, the price is trading at 42,385. Okay, let me share the chart. Sorry, it's trading at 42,385, and actually I think there is no update we are seeing on this. It's another headache. Okay, let's see Nasdaq. Okay, so the Nasdaq today, we are seeing lower highs. Okay, lower highs and lower lows, price is coming off. So then if you look into the 2 hour chart, I think this should be in a range trading. So what we are expecting for Nasdaq is the strength towards 213 3 4. Okay, 2134. Okay, let me see what is the big figure. 21340. Okay, we want to sell near here. Okay, let's see what is the Nasdaq on the so that means it's showing about 70 points. 70 points, uh, 70 points difference. Okay, so we'll wait to see. Maybe 340 should be the selling level. Okay, let me get the dashboard. Okay, the gold is moving up. Okay, let's finish this Nasdaq. Then we will get back into the gold and the other one. Okay, so the Nasdaq, we don't expect the price to go beyond 420. Okay, 21 420. Okay, the 370 365 is also a strong sell call. So what we can do, we can try to sell at 350. You can try to sell at 350. Then another one at okay, 340. Okay, we'll sell one unit at 340. Then another one at 405. And the stop we got to give at is 445. Okay, so let's key in this order. Okay, Nasdaq, selling at 213 340. Okay, stop 440. Okay, TP 220 230 21230, that is the low. So we'll try to buy at 240. Okay, and this is half lot, and expiry is only until 10. Okay, so now the next we will go for another trade at 21420. Okay, 21420. Two one four two zero, and that one is 480. Then this, if let's say we see the low break, then we can exit at 200 or 185. Okay, we'll put it as 190. Okay, we'll put it as 190. And this is also until 11 o'clock. Okay, so now let's see what are the trades we have given, and what are the things we are working on. Okay, we are okay, the gold we are already into the gold trade. we are already into the euro trade is also filled. Euro, the 35 is filled. Okay, I got filled. So I think this is also filled. Okay. So we are holding euro short. We are holding Aussie short. We are trying to enter Nasdaq at 340. Right now is 325. Then we are holding New Zealand short and gold short. So altogether we have four trades as of now. Okay, we are having four trades, and let's see how we manage this trade and how we manage this. Okay, so the gold is flat, euro is flat, Aussie is also flat, and New Zealand is also flat. Maybe it's just about 1-2 pips away. It's also flat. Okay, I think we'll wait for some more. Only the Nasdaq. Okay, the Nasdaq is three. Hold on, it's 3 2. Let me see the Nasdaq. Okay, the 340 is also filled, the Nasdaq. Okay, right now this 340. This is also filled. Okay, I think this is more than good enough for us to be busy with. Okay, so okay, I repeat. Okay, we are going for, okay, Nasdaq we shorted 340, euro shorted 335, Aussie 640. Then we have New Zealand 540, 5940. Then gold. Okay, so altogether we have 3, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 trades in hand. Okay, gold we shorted at 3305 half. Right now this is making about $3. So we'll wait to see further clues. Okay, so then the rest of the trades all are pretty flat. Okay, pretty flat. So let's wait and see how it progresses. Okay, so I think we have to wait for some time to see how is the progress. Okay, for those of you who wants to take a screenshot of Nasdaq dashboard, you may do so. So right now this is trading at 350. Okay, near this level. So the maximum we are expecting is about 420, and the weakness would be seen once it breaks 300, 300 or 285. So there's two ways we need to get ourselves focused. One is we go for a alternate. That means, if the weakness to be seen, we need to see the break of 3 300, 21 300 or 21 270 280. Then above 425 and 455, we should see the price moving higher towards 470 or 500. Okay, and I don't think we should see beyond 520. Okay, so this should be the game plan, and okay, hello. Yeah. So we wait for all these trades to have some progress. Okay. Until then, I think we can't do anything. Okay. Euro, euro looks like is making about 7 pips. Okay. Gold is now testing the 300. Okay. If it breaks, then we can see the price moving lower. So of course the key level to break is 90. Okay, now we see here, yeah, if it breaks 90, it can go lower, because it can go lower to 85 or 80. Okay. Looks like the market is a bit quiet today, and but the gold is try testing the lows. Hopefully, if it breaks that 90 98, I think just now I saw that level. Let me see. Okay, we are just trying to. Okay, the gold, the TP, not because my screen is not downloading. Okay, we maybe we'll try to take a profit at 90. Still have 7 more minutes of this weakness, and yeah, maybe 98. Take, try to take a profit. Okay, the 98. So at least we can go for a re-entry. That means we'll make about $7 on this trade. Okay, now is 98.50. So try to take profit at 98, then we can go for a re-entry again. Okay, let me see. Okay, my system, I think I need to reboot again. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, so I'm trying to take profit at 98 first, the 3505. So TP 3298. Yeah. So we'll try to close at 3298. I think we were a bit slow. I think the thing bounced back to. Okay, for those of you who have come in late, I just want to share with you we are holding a couple of trades. We shorted gold at 3305 half, and we are trying to close at 3298. Right now is 330031. Then we shorted Nasdaq at 340. Then we shorted euro at 335. Then we shorted Aussie at 64.40, New Zealand at 59.40, and gold at 3.5. So altogether we are holding 3, 4, 5 trades altogether. So we are trying to um, take profit one by one to manage it. So we are trying to take the gold at 3298, now is 3301. So I think just now it went to a low of 95 half, but I think we missed because we were a bit slow on that. Yeah, 95 half. So let's wait for another few more minutes to see whether we can exit that with that price target. Okay, then Nasdaq we also have a sell order at 420. Okay, right now I think this is trading at 395. Okay, the highest it went was 405. We're trying to sell at 420, which is still not filled yet. So the rest of the markets is not much movement except for gold, and I think we missed our price target. We'll give some more time to see whether it comes off again. Okay, the gold, I think my stop, I want to bring it down. Early on we put a stop at 12, I think. Hold on, 12, yeah, 12 half. So can we bring down to 9 half? Okay, bring down the stop to 9 half. Okay, so here we okay, we'll try to close at 3298. Then the stop we will try to bring it down to 9 half. Okay, right now this is trading at 3300.5. Now it's 99.8. Another, okay, 98. I'm out. So the gold we have taken profit, huh? At 3298. Okay, so we'll try to go for a re-entry again. Okay, I'm not sure what news came by. I think I'm not sure what news today we have, but the dollar weakness is seen. Okay, the just seeing some weakness, mild weakness. Okay, the gold is coming off again. So now what we will do is, since we have already taken the profit, we would want to go for a re-entry on gold. So where we can go for a re-entry, we will try to see if we can get 3306 again, 3306. Then the TP, will see whether the low breaks. If it breaks, then we can exit at 3286, or yeah, I think 86 or 82 should be a comfortable level. Okay, so gold, cautious sell XAU at 3306. Okay, stop at 3312 half. TP at uh, TP at, I think we'll still go for the same price, 3296, and expiry is only about 30 minutes. That means 30 minutes away from now. Okay, so this is a next trade. We are planning to go for a re-entry. Okay, so the rest of the trade, I think we can work on that. Let's see. So we are still holding Nasdaq, Euro, Aussie, and New Zealand. Okay, gold we have already taken profit. So let's see the Nasdaq before we knock off. Okay, I think the 420 Okay, the 420 cell is also filled. Okay, the 420 we gave a Nasdaq to sell. I think that order is also filled. So that means we are holding now two Nasdaq. Okay, two Nasdaq. One is at 340, another one is at 420. Okay, now let's see whether we have we are expecting a market to turn. Okay, I think that's about it. So I think we managed the screen, you managed the trade. So only thing is for Nasdaq we are holding two lots. So once it comes lower, you try to take one profit, then wait for the other one to move in our favor. Okay, so until then, uh, the rest of the trades let it work. Then probably I will update as and when the price moves. Okay, so thank you. I'll see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. we will be having a session. Then, as usual, tomorrow I think we may have about three sessions. Okay, so thank you. I'll see you again tomorrow.